Malapit na Valentine's Day. I need the Valentine's Day. Ito yung chance para matanong ka rin. Malapit na mag-Valentine's. Do you want some crackers? Do you have anything to buy?
Sure, why not? But I'll think about it.
Yeah.
Just like Renzo, an enzyme is looking for a date in his mouth.
Yeah, okay.
Amylase acts on polysaccharides to break them down into smaller carbohydrate units.
In the small intestine, carbohydrates are absorbed through transport proteins located on the enterocyte. The sodium-glucose luminal transporter transports glucose and galactose with the help of sodium. The GLUT5 transporter facilitates fructose absorption.
GLUT2 transports all the monosaccharides into circulation, and the sodium-potassium pump provides most of the energy.
Malapit na mag-Valentine's pala. This year, last year pa mag-trip ko. And sana naman malungkot sa Valentine's. Oh! Parang sa'yo mo rin, so, syempre, kaya talaga ako sa date. Aba! Okay, game naman dyan. Oh, are you challenging me? Sige, alis mo lang ako. Kaya sa study ko eh. Hindi yung tamang na. Oh! Yakapin ko ah! Sige, good luck yung pag-aaral mo. Right. After magpapatalo ko kay Renzo, kapayag ba ako? Ako pa rin na siya sa commitment flag. Hindi ako kaya. Gawin ko siya rin sa kanya. Like this.
Oh, sabi.
Gusto ko ba ng protein para we can grow old together?
Wow! Subukan mo ba ako?
Of course!
After swallowing, rhythmic contraction of the esophagus pushes food down the GI tract in an action known as peristalsis.
Ano pala, like, may date ka naman for Valentine's? Baka naman, we can go out together.
Sure, why not? But I'll think about it.
Upon entry into the stomach, food is mechanically digested through muscular contractions and chemically through gastric secretions.
Gastric glands within the gastric pits secrete hydrochloric acid and enzymes such as pepsin to degrade food and provide initial protein digestion. Protein in the intestine. Protein undergoes both luminal and membrane digestion. In the lumen, proteins are acted upon by intestinal enzymes like trypsin.
They are further digested by membrane peptidases into smaller dipeptides and tripeptides. These peptides pass through the cell membrane through the pepT1 transporter.
Amino acids, on the other hand, enter the cell through sodium-dependent carrier proteins.
Ready ka na ba for Valentine's?
Sige.
Uy, Alexis! Ready ka na ba for our Valentine's Day?
Oh my god! I thought we had it on different times.
Different time? It's Valentine's! I thought you wanted to go on.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
I'm Alexis Dave. I know, but I stole her from you. She's mine now. But she needs the energy so she can go out with me. She wants to grow old with me. Ano? Away ka ba? So Sorry, but I'm Alexis Babe
No,
now.
I'm Alexis
Top one ka pa, ha?
Oh my god, what trouble did I got? Please see those people. They're fighting. Oh my god. Who should I go after this?
Well, why don't we just go out and eat?
Wow, that's
Like water, and I can go to your life.
wow. Okay.
Water is absorbed in the colon, and ion concentration is controlled through numerous membrane channels. Sodium concentration is manipulated to provide a gradient for water to enter the cell through aquaporin. At the same time, bicarbonate is secreted into the lumen.
Excuse me, boys.
Did they just both? Kain na lang tayo, pare.
Fooled by the same girl.
Okay lang. Sanay na ako dyan. Lagi na lang yun nangyayari sa akin. Ito na lang. Meron akong sisig. Kasi alam mo naman, parang taba. Or just both back up. Ano ba?
Kung wala ka nang maintindihan, kung wala ka nang makapitan, kapit ka sa akin, kumapit ka sa akin.
In the small intestine, pancreatic lipases break down fat globules into fatty acids. These are then emulsified through the formation of micelles by bile phospholipids and bile salts.
In the small intestines, the micelles deliver the fat droplets onto the membrane. These then diffuse easily due to their polar nature. In the Golgi body, they are packaged within lipoproteins to form chylomicrons, which then enter the bloodstream.
Yun!
Bakit namin yun?